Hi guys, and welcome back to the Black Couch Diaries episode 34. We are officially on 10k subscribers. We might not have champagne to celebrate it, but
equal short,
but idoda areyona donata has gone up from 10 kotamorba champagne you celebrate next week. Mike Beck una champagne.
Wine.
Oh my God, guys. Yes. So we just want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing, sharing our videos and all that. We really, really appreciate it. And also, no, we are futina Chivuya for Women's Month because you guys loved her. So also, I just wanted to find out, how was your first experience? Because I think Richard Zoshuta atungobudzisa.
I don't know adrenaline tea. Yeah, so I told those rumbresa, and then I watched a bit of the episode to beds. But the comment zones was positive, so I'm just like, at least the Black Couch gang, you know,
they are actually nice people.
They're very nice. They're very nice.
Nah, they're not bad people.
No, I will bad. Yeah. Like, Baba positive. I don't want to lie.
Yeah, and apparently we compliment each other.
And I was like,
okay.
But okay. You don't see it if you're speaking. Yeah,
Right, perfect. The problem. Also, as we're still on Women's Month, I just wanted us to appreciate. There's a girl that I saw. I think she's also album, Capable Boys. Mickey Black. Have you seen her? Is it Mikey Black?
Oh, is it the new song in there? TikTok.
That kid is good.
No, she's very good. Like Narim Bori and Robert, even though I haven't listened to the whole song, one covered the snippet TikTok. Mara.
And you know what I loved about her is she's basically just being authentic. Like, dango in the artist Azamova. You know, because I think like a music video she was dressed. She looked.
She has another song.
Yeah. Oh, on a music video, you're Capable Boys. Casablanca.
Oh, no. I've just started like listening to Venda music. I don't know, but I'm trying to like diversify my playlist.
Please give yourself a chance. That girl is good.
No. And
she's not trying too hard.
No, she's
like,
not.
In terms of appearance.
And unique. MacG, for example.
Do you get what I'm saying? She's not screaming.
No.
She's doing her own thing. She's cute. She's young. I just hope nothing changes her. I just hope she doesn't feel like now she has to dress a certain way.
Definitely.
Because she's perfect the way she is.
Yeah, no, she
I think that's what makes her adorable. And I was like, no. And she has a beautiful voice. So.
Speaking of Women's Month, Nobana Twitter a while back, they were talking about it, the conferences as Women's Day or in this or in the scam. What's your take on it? Oh, not on the scam, but we could take opportunity or the or
I think motivational events in the scam
again.
Because I don't think when I'm so I don't think I would pay to come listen to you so you can tell me what to do with my life.
That's true.
Because and I know other people are gonna say, but that's what happens with therapy as well. With therapy, it's different. They're asking you questions about yourself. Yes, you don't. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. And it's usually women that didn't make it in
yeah.
You know.
Usually so, support from somewhere, maybe family, husband,
money laundering.
And
they wouldn't say.
Obvious.
So it's stuff like that. So
yeah.
I really do think people use it as an opportunity. Yes, it's true. Mara it's a bit.
Yeah. Bakuita chere devil. Ngondo kana kuita 900 and you get zingwa point something. I'm just like,
I don't know, man. I don't know. But then although Venda it was Mother's Day. It was in Lyra Boutique. My mom went and she really enjoyed it.
Yeah,
it was a what tea party. It
was,
so I think like teach onanga motherhood. For example, they would bring a woman or strugglanga fertility and whatever. Those I get, you know.
It's
sense.
Just
making you feel better. But then they didn't
You're a woman. You can do this.
Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. So Bamushumoni. And so I just feel like, yes, they must make money. If I go, then it's on me.
It's on you to get scammed.
Exactly.
Like, definitely.
Speaking of women, apparently Chidima Washu committed suicide.
Commit suicide. Zvino kana ufi bomuvi dzava Miss Universe ya Nigeria or ade ninge kana ko represent Nigeria kana mini, because I saw like a snippet nyana of a video on Twitter achikuhamba ngazo, and I'm just like, okay, ndabona na vatu like my Nigeria, they were very against this because no why ko join na hango audition ofana na bangwe,
which makes sense.
It does. Unfair zone. Mara it's like nerko mutata nezwa chair on the other side na wona bakumtanganeza.
But remember bano aungofika umelaya yani ofia songo joina misese.
O mara authority kan apparently dropped out
kan. Zvinozoya yani zviba zvichavakarina. Ari ngorikaya yani.
Mara over no receipt yo very hot. Bako investigate na ba baby.
So that's her problem.
Yeah.
You know? For as much as I'm on her side, I don't think it's fair uri atakwe pano. Abeni, the fact that you're in SA, like acquire in terms of probably education and accent and all these things, right? So for her to go that side, they didn't get the same privileges as her. It's a bit unfair.
Looking like she jumped the line.
You get what I'm saying? Just because or trend. So next year will stand.
Exactly, there'll be something else.
So it doesn't work like that.
And another thing, but no, apparently Miss Universe inyaga muthu asongochata and things like that. And I recently saw a video ya mnyanya wao. She got married to a guy.
Apparently she got divorced as well.
First so kani munyanyo lobu wakando
now. Maybe because apparently she's a divorcee.
She knows about divorces on as a county.
She's a guy. If I've got the looks,
Marona criteria tika zvitu so. Like they want certain people, you're supposed to be motivating youth or aba join they can make it in life. Because have you noticed that usually like but whenever join has degree and things like that, like never ambazone ba ko motivate ba ko represent a country or it create bazana ba better basically te India bazana.
I used to think ndingauri inimune arenis na degree ningasho noya, not because so
like often they can make it, they can still, but they were as Miss Universe.
Do you think it makes sense? I've seen mothers that have killer bodies and I just look at them and I'm like,
promote motherhood if you are a role model type of person. I get alleged mistake. I don't think it's a mistake, but
depending on what happened.
Yes, also that.
You know?
Marazone is tricky. It's very tricky.
Okay, I guess the criteria and there's nothing we can do about it.
Exactly. I think if we start bending rules, like I
was saying, everything is going to go south. Because I saw today on LinkedIn, there was a post, so they were interviewing a girl, 15 months gap, what was happening, yes. And then she was like, her dad was sick, so she had to move back to take care of the dad. And then they asked her, so how are you going to work now? And she's like, no, my dad passed on. So the guy was like, sometimes we just need to listen to the story instead of una 15-year gap, so we can't hire this one. But then somebody else came and commented, Ari, but then lately everyone has a story before a Chishka interview. So
the life, man.
Yeah, I guess
always
criteria
like
and criteria.
A backstory.
Yeah, I guess already for this position, I can't get a person that hasn't been working in over a year. It wouldn't make sense, you know?
Yeah, depending
on the type of position.
Yeah, also that, because you can learn on the job. Because when wa catch up or faces or creativity, you can't forget
being creative.
Yeah.
You know?
So creativity was different. But if it's like maybe technical or something like that. Syllabus change how often?
Uramatutu is like so simple. I don't think you need to practice. I don't think you need to practice Uramatutu like.
That's why I'm like, yeah, you're right. It depends ka career. Because it's just technical. You
right.
need to keep up with what's
like
happening.
Like your IT.
Yeah, your IT. You need to keep up with maybe like learning the software.
Yeah.
So it depends on the career in DP.
Speaking of women again, you have I think women are just the problem.
Wait, before you finish, we want to miss South Africa. Oh, we know. Maya,
did you watch it?
No, I don't watch Mrs. C.
Same. I heard Fiti.
Yeah, she has a hearing impairment.
Oh, okay.
Mara nezvinotakadza ndiri vatu vanji vane vavana
disability. That's to you, eh?
If
he's not working. No, he's just doing funny faces. Yeah.
Una's hearing impairment, so she wears like a collier or something. Like the
one that looks like a over one.
So what I saw, what I loved nduzori community yawe banji like vozvitakarira because now they feel like they can make it even though vana disability because vandichiri ndio motivator
mara owinisiwa ngamini owina zvabukuma
atidhura kokona natiatingoibona
ngonda unyowina ngabutungu na both vavonaka you can get to top 10 zonaka
exactly ndofana speech cha mumwe wakwamba apparently the other thing that they didn't like ngori oriyo. So they were like, hang on, bana training, you're going to ambazwabu, things like that. At the book and I top 2 na, I don't watch it. So go on nyana social media. I don't know if it was Twitter or what. But
I really hope Hango Winanga Ngantania disability.
Or Wadoru Dobakova representer. No,
I don't think so.
No, I don't think
I've been a judge for those things and I know what it feels like. I know exactly what they were feeling like.
But, you know? But like, I want to join Namara when disability yan. I'm sure Baba
could do with a disability. We didn't care. Nobody cared about Miss SA till this year.
But I never care. The people that watch religiously, but that's why she trend or not trend. The people are watching and they're
yeah, I really don't care.
Yeah, me too.
So, yeah, I'm sorry. I guess Tio Kajo, you know.
Yeah, none.
Oh, yeah. Did you ever do modeling as a kid?
So modeling. Oh, I had so just nepenyana, but nothing like pageant wise. Yeah.
It doesn't have some that's a Venda that's this scam at our time.
And no join that because
yeah, so it's a good thing you didn't.
Yeah.
Before Chiambanga, you know, I was still saying, speaking of women. Did you see the video ya Mihlali where she was
ango address chit why so ngambori the substances those kwambori ndimini why so address zwa rupanga why so address zopushwa rubondo hango address chitu kela video so ndikoliwa bathu voimona nne ndimini zwezo khambori ite mini.
Do you think obakunyanga dophela obtungu?
Yeah,
it looked like it ne
na video la ita black and white. I feel like at this point
chibingacho editor at black and white akorira
tuna editor nayo maybe it's not DVT mara over na at some point mara my point is both are toxic at this point both of them need to like separate mona mozi wanela therapy yawe ne zwa Mihlali every week ibo. I think sometimes uko zvitori riber komutoverera ngora nanzori vathu vadomufollow vadoima nayo oh Mihlali shame mini
mara do you think zvinga contribute ka downfall yawe?
Yeah, but vanji vorichomutoverera after achiita zvine oita zvone kamarriage or sister that guy uchitira mufumakadzi wavo and all the stunts she was pulling on top of all of that ozovana nela video yasalunini and she was like be a married man's piece. Can't be serious.
I remember Naila interview unfollowed. What if this is really her unfollowed moment?
Yeah.
Do you think she's going to be the same Mihlali?
She won't.
Because remember, what made Mihlali was the endorsements. She's a YouTuber. How many of those girls do we have now? There's no time to play because she has no talent. No, okay, no,
allegedly.
No, allegedly.
You hate her makeup.
How many makeup artists do we have, guys?
No post in Banji, no post a video once. Mihlali vatu vako complain anga YouTube ya or do posta ndini zvino August tangwa vako posta za Valentine's zvino.
Anikomfa. Ndichiri talent ndikwamburi. Yo raro a makeup artist. una salon ina ukumake up vathu no
Zvozvoronaka.
pedzi kani tuti
talent
livangana bonaka. Do you know how many girls look like Mihlali?
I feel like she has a cult following, cultish.
Mara
Yeah, ena mune achiita YouTube. Hey,
This is
she
what
has a cult following though, but vamufuna vaima naye. That's why she drove
Atikohana. Mara it's easier for people like her uri babe unfollowed but wereka unfollowed kana vacanceliwe ngauri she doesn't bring much to the table. For example, bonang onobva mafungo manje nazvezvi bonang allegedly onobva if she takes drugs and whatever. But the minute she's
zvomatombo
nazvozvo zvamatombo when AK say whatever, but the minute she steps on screen and she speaks, you forget everything. So what is Mihlali going to come and do? And then don't know. Did you see her dresses? The Miss Essay.
Vicky James. Vicky James. Mara Nigeria. Whenever
no, naka makeup. They're better than us.
They are. They're very good.
They're better
now
than
I was impressed. I was
they're better than
like,
Eska designing. So that's the type of thing I'm talking about. Mihlali aninga ono rakoni
uko yeah,
I feel like ono dichinyadzera kai.
Ono dichinyadzera. Zotoma na Leroy. Not even because there were scandals before. Mara zwa Leroy zotonanisa zvitu. I feel like she was better to zviche low key. You see, asa to dibi like asa to dibi uko who she's dating and things like that. Cause on kotomo bona nazi video. Not video, I saw a picture she's been dating married men mini.
Hey.
I'm like, hey, so like it's better for her bag if we don't know, because bamunyaga for a certain reason.
I feel like a lot of women are dating married men, but then odichinyera zvitu ngandre avangayo. Like, can you just, if you really want someone's man, can you just date them silently and not try to pull the other woman down?
Exactly.
Oh, Jenny said Mary Jane Mato. We didn't even know that woman.
She owes Mary Jane. I feel like over now include Mary Jane kai thank you yawe video.
Because oba kumudera for what?
That's why Mary Jane opumura. I just deba tangona Mary Jane kutangana na zwara hai na no zvibona phanda tu kubona tonga zvikotakadza zvino.
Chances
new
are
broom ya different.
Ndiyazvila zvena ndikuhamba zvakolon last week uri ningawana uri chelede yobe ya Mary Jane and she didn't know.
Exactly.
Because obo mutanzwa and he looked presentable, he looked like this man.
Ningawana
uri actor bisa bare minimum hayani.
Exactly. Mara tu ufuna una company ya Buseku.
Yep. Ngori Buseku. Abeje Buseku uwa kwamba wala bantu.
Buseku riti.
Ngomudza bachikolo nchanga high school. Mara that doesn't mean you're making money though.
Apparently you used to.
How many people have nani ndingaenda register zvino muzindara have security company?
No, I don't want to say achiwana zitenda because I told you rakuita, but I think he used to have money.
Yeah.
Kana uya Mary Jane thawa
David zvikoma zvavatu. Yone iyabona lori obuyava nayo kana unayo mara he probably just didn't have the Mihlali money.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah, vakuhamba yore no vakutoda. Oh, we are 50k a month.
Yeah, girlfriend allowance.
Over 50. Hey,
Anna boy tangori 500 ndinyori 500 ofi 50 kana 500,000.
50 kana 500. Arado bo 15 na nezno ndibo bafese say.
Tonga ndi 50.
Yeah, sharp.
Yeah, every month.
Yeah, sharp. Ndakopfa inje tla ndachi mwana.
No mara zvinoyatenda.
Ndandiko ndachi mwana, sorry. Hey, I'm so sorry. 50 is not bad. So I really feel like also ndikama, hey?
Ndikama and deserving, so both Leroy na Mihlali by deserve come.
Auna muraro wona uri mitodzi something ya mufumakadzi ya
nende Venda like I don't know.
Mitodzi ya yeah, mitodzi ya mchayori pasi.
Yeah, Mary Jane ingowera pasi.
Ari sikori ya mufumakadzi ndi women's man, mitodzi ya mufumakadzi ayiwori pasi.
And angobe ya rasa nawo shem sure so quiet, very demure and mindful.
What the hell?
Mara guys.
What the hell, guys? I just got to shoot TikTok on the guys.
You must keep up with the times.
I am so bad. Oh, but I'm still going. I just started to go.
There's a lot going on.
Okay, so aripedze ya chidima rivaled.
Naye Mihlali kai rival every weekend yene.
And ufi bri uko uswa.
Yo ndoibone la video.
And
I
people
was
are saying
shocked.
Nigerians are burning it because of
why?
Chidima.
Uzura bathu apela petu.
But I don't think it's true, man. Come on.
Kama iko todzishera uzozi buildings
za Joburg. Why last year Chidima?
Ndizakare these buildings,
But no, it's
electric
either
issues and things.
Kana ugo, like there's just always something. Like you are never safe.
Exactly. Now last till you show up hey electric issue many people are staying there illegally. And I've seen like the building in Japa Joburg. Hi guys. Joburg something needs to give.
Okay.
Something needs to give.
Yeah, arba vale wafumakazi babili rijene khabang because last week we had Owami on the show. You watched it, ne?
Yeah, no,
Mara,
it wasn't last week, it was 2 weeks.
2 weeks ago.
Nende religious. Even my sister's always like, I know Zula Kobona Owami. I should not drop her face.
Okay, great. So you do know she doesn't get along with Promise.
Tiborwa Koreda.
Owami oba ori.
Oh, promise ori ungasidiche munango rwa cheater.
Yes.
And then Owami adafindura kai YouTube butonga. Ari no, nendo muricha o cheater.
Yeah.
Promise ya wara na ex ya Owami am interview. Yo,
Yeah, that was
na.
very petty.
Oh, it was.
But then now she's fighting with someone
But
again.
you know,
and it's not Owami.
but you know what I love about Owami? If you go low, she goes
Goes
down to
lower.
hell.
She goes lower.
Yeah, I'm like, let's be petty.
Let's be Afar. I make a loudspeaker.
Hi.
I make a loudspeaker.
Hi.
Loudspeaker.
I'm good. How are you?
Hi, baby.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, I'm still busy with something. I'm gonna come back.
I'm here for another
Okay,
lap.
sharp.
I forgot the charger. Where did you put the other? This phone is dead. It doesn't have a charger.
Aye. Sorry about that.
Okay, why you come back accent in Nigeria and you come back to watch?
Na miriro.
Jena guys. Odi twamba rocha mkaladi. Wewe uzobuti buti ni xenophobic. Na bithi do ruga dichiduma.
Ningasiruge. Doru khambura.
Hayi. Sidarata changa. So now there's a girl on Lundi on
TikTok. No mubona thini.
I love
As a
that.
life
She's
coach.
very smart.
I think
very
she
smart.
has like life experience.
Yes.
Tangona job life coach. Ozuyela chikoloni.
Hey ene.
Zuyelwa chikoloni kana.
No,
So
mara
life coach ngoro chiranyana.
Nandi foreigner zuyela chikoloni, that's where it becomes wrong. Nikho kana funzo.
No, sometimes ufana good like ufana nazi ufimini. The psychology. Wa diba like the trauma simiyumbulo rishumisani things like that. Cause like okay with like if it's just your life it will just be like your life experiences. Mara waba uko ya chikoloni is like maybe broader. Waba kugudanga zwingo zwabangori. If it's just you experience certain things.
Your type.
Exactly, it's just your life.
Trauma. So she was talking about how ngori promise or amba zorino, as long as he comes back to me, yada
no,
my man is my man. These women are doing
I'll
what
stick beside him.
You can't say my man is my man when he's going outside, he's making babies outside. That means he's not using protection.
Exactly.
He comes back to you and you still say my man is my man. I still don't understand women that still have the concept yet, as long as it comes back home to me.
Okay.
It's either you're gonna live in a body bag or
I retract that.
What do you mean?
Problem ya promising is no resolve because ndopfa kaingo video achikori kana kotsi yawe na unobya interview kotsi yawe tonga achikori kotsi yawe na vanhu baba chijola means no zuba na yana bona tonga zwi right instead of being a grown that's what I was about to say, being a grown up muthu wa humbula and unlearn zwithu zwino zwigudwa yani ngori zwinwe zwithasi zwone zwi wrong. Mara eno decide to continue. Ti ofiwa visa yori angajola. Ofiwa visa ngayidicha.
Angasiriche ola muna. And abazana bangasiriche udoweleza muna wawo.
Ndo kubona trailer ya Madam Speaker for this next coming episode yawe. So mfumakazi abela boda. Baba kwambori she got STDs, she got AIDS and things like that. For ubekezela muno cheater. You choose yourself. Men are selfish. Women need to start choosing themselves.
I think women just need to start cheating.
I bet two wrongs don't make a right.
No, okay. Two wrongs don't make... Ari ndimubudzi. No. Allow me to cook.
Now what I want to say is amuriche.
Let me cook, guys. Here's the thing, right? Chinokuita rava to vasituwe vavekezele is because love is still there, right? Mara areli atuaya.
Delusion. As love.
Okay, areli check delusion, see? Mara. Areli ndatuwa ndaenda jola nda. Chances of me falling for another person and forgetting about him are easier. So ndikotenda ulicha mutu immediately akobvo jola no mwana na mnovura funya ona musi. That's what, so ndiko uri ni bezwa wudi. Find better. No, as you cheat and to find a better. Okay, eno bonungari, how long would it take you? Guys, no.
Chini doba no surprise.
Ubonungari, how long would it take you if you were married to a man for 10 years? And then after phone, I went, okay, this person has a baby mama outside. He has 2 side chicks. He has a work wife. No, mara love in that's the thing.
I love you and I do it.
So what do you do?
Have you heard women would divorce her? But you stay there and then you make a plan, your exit plan.
Exit plan so
not necessarily. The thing is, you don't always need a man to get to exit. Like alone, you know. So your exit plan can just be
I just don't think it's easy to fall out of love if you're not falling in love with somebody else. Happiness is not. Give me 0. I am not going to have
my man.
Honestly, and these are conversations we need to have. These are conversations we need to have as women. Because I even watched a video futi muroba as a podcast. Yamumudzana ane oba ofariwa na Flaba's girlfriend. So, and offer for 8 years. They somehow shared a cell. Apparently that girl was very gangster. Jane. Marachidangi ka MacG kudita soft. You should watch it.
That's all mugwaza. Wait, chivindi checho.
Oh no, or you know niti. Uri. She was dating this guy. And then, okay, the guy only had a virgin breaker. She was still in high school, probably. So he broke the virginity. The following day, we need to talk about something. The thing is, now I actually have a girl.
Hey.
Sharp.
Men are not good people.
Men are not good people. She's still young. She's vulnerable. She's thinking, oh my God, I was thinking this person is my soulmate.
Love of my life.
And that's like 7 months in the relationship or something. So now she stays at Zura. And then I was pregnant. Actually, pregnant. That girl got pregnant as well. They were pregnant at the same time. So, any uri actually wabona kupira na ula.
Marukos sometimes kutuzivangira matada.
No, you explain. You remember what you were saying with Promise? Also, she was doing it because of how she was raised. Ola wana na aru na Mia wana the stepdad. So she says she has never really knew like what a family structure or like love has to look like. Okay. So for her, she was just taking whatever comes.
So she was looking for love outside.
She was looking for love outside, basically. So sharp. And then now the guy started dating the girl's best friend. Cheated with the girl's best friend, got the girl pregnant. She got pregnant again. And then the other time
she must love herself.
The other time she went to the house, she found them together. And then Uri, the time Achia Kail Angi Mudini, I wanted that guy Naula Muzan. Then she was asking what's happening. And then as that girl was being petty, the best friend, she was being petty. She's like, just tell me if you don't want to have me today, like stuff like that. Like Ukumu Tobora. Or she didn't understand what was going on. She started hearing voices in her head. She got angry. She took a knife. She waited for them to leave the house. And then and then she tapped the girl. So imagine she went to jail for 8 years. Because
for
of
a
voices.
Man.
So this whole thing, I'm not gonna say anything about that. But I'm just saying, Uri, we turn to do so much for men at what cost?
Who'll do not even the bare minimum.
Yeah.
Oyo
mutu munone obasashumia nekuitore zosto. Oba wena onomu itenant.
Vafumakadzi vaso vanstressa.
Muna ashumi ndiye nanokorenga chimwe na chimwe. So
self love Mario ni important.
Nimbuze uri bare minimum igai usina na ruba ke relationship. Kana ile alodokiwa dakani kore bakova deep sclut auna ruba nalitindira ni badani nothing.
La dakani nyani.
Exactly my point.
Mara ukuzibona ke bachizifuna ngela 7 months achibuzori hey I have a girlfriend adobo muricha. Which and I have a girlfriend. Ndingamuricha ndikodzurera mina ndiyadzifuna tinayi ani bamfuna. Ndikovekezela mina. What am I
Mara in that case
what am I bekezeling?
Mara in that case ubuzokonderene.
Problem ndori muthu richijena ka relationship unofuna nga mbilu yote. Nasasiye
Wait,
space nyana.
why is kunujena nga hafu?
Jena ninga photocopy.
Mimi nimudhita kana copy kana you certify what's okay. As long as basa yeah yani because
what do you certify why? Awuthembisi mjoloni.
Just nyana. But I think it's possible for women to love less. They're just
bafumakazi bafunesa, they go over and above. Sometimes it's in your mind, like in the delusion. Nibona tonga like this person loves you. Or the 1% hila rufuno nyana. Tango oh 1, 2, 3 or something. But there's nothing to hold on to. Hela 99% was just trash. I mean.
Facts. I still think guys are so jolosh and not get married because there's no hope.
No against marriage. Trauma.
No, atina trauma ndikoto said zvino. I'm looking at the reality of things.
You can still divorce the person.
I
just
don't
make
think
sure
I would
no
want to
sign a
get
contract.
married.
Don't do committing
That's the
property.
thing. I don't want to get married. Ndina mumbulo ore koti opedzaro divorce.
No, obviously no one gets into marriage bakumbra zvezvo ti. Mara like situation yava yo present.
In order to avoid divorce, just don't get married.
Mara
you can't get divorced if you don't get married.
What if you get married? Zavavudi yavo happiness.
The gamble, mara 0.5% yet marriage.
Serious.
So mara, chances of me being
just 0.5. Gamble. Tangundi, you know, like lotto. You never know.
I don't like losing. I don't like losing.
I don't gamble.
I don't gamble. So why gamble with my heart? Gamble with my entire life.
That's the
gamble
truth.
With saying yes, panda watu at 3,000.
Wait, wedding yoni dobe yo daramus.
YouTube.
No poster.
Udobana batu banodotobona ka
YouTube. Oh ngori na mashaka ngangi.
Mara bangi vangada. Very important vangada. No, very important.
Tuzo cater the extras.
Tina extra. Babukuma batini badoswika. So, I saw MacG is getting sued.
And I had to investigate because the last episode at won team. So I was like, okay, ndiko check I mean, that time ni mapungo akari. Because it was
she was my one day.
Rosie Muteni.
She was my one
day
like
that.
On Generations.
No, my one ndolo na Madrid. Mara ene we are actor back in the day ka Generations.
Hey, ka Generations nayo. But anyways, yeah.
I don't know if she had dressed chaumbura. Mara apparently tinde chipinga tolle small or than nepala kantu ka MacG. Akori kanori Rosie Muteni akutotwedza mola mugel. Yeah, or kana continue na case ite mini zvezvo zva case in. So the tallest more he unathoyo fana na kubinzi rakwamba zvithu zvinji.
Yeah, but MacG jina guy and why now? Ila episode yasiya last year matumuni.
And they are episode.
And also I'm just like, are you broke now or what? Because
angaba broke ngora zvimike. Why so no problem, like my question is why wasa kusua ntulles more. Because they know your because they just provided a platform.
But mafuna malawyer, right?
I
promise I'm meeting my lawyers tomorrow. And I feel literally if you had lawyers, you would have been meeting them today, not tomorrow. I'm meeting my lawyers tomorrow. My boy, if your lawyer is really your lawyer and baka pay Roliano, they come now.
They just I want a lawyer do kutunyanga cherede.
Guys, I shooting out to operate out. So time and time again they are going to disturb us. Roko Shuman has a mental case. Roko Dylan has a mental case. Hi.
But though I couldn't yaga cherry de mara promise ndikala kuhamba izvi zvitoti ndinozori.
And uri 1 million.
Yeah. Ko chance bad.
Ne?
Serious. Now you wa MacG. I don't think zdopasa zvithu zvatanga mitole small those dopasa nepala ngokuti ndena ku odo afela kubalabala.
Yo, enough ngamaphungu abathu bakuleti.
Anetisa.
Ndobona status cha Zonzo. Do you see?
Athi ngochibala chothe. Chochu kuri mina.
Okay, firstly, it's very hard for you to understand him because you need to take that paragraph and put it on Quillbot paraphrase or something and then you read it. Because it's very hard. Like, I really cannot understand what it's saying.
Doesn't
You need to
give
put
up.
2 and 2 together na women.
Oh, tangana na pala petu.
No. And asuro ngwalo jai. Ungwalisa zwezwila. Check all his statuses.
Why ma? Why
No,
ma?
kungwanele kwa mune mune swifana msumtana kuambela una kungwanele wona. So it's okay. It's okay. No judgments. But what I picked up nduri uri una zi influencer dzo rengiwa uri zi kwanyeledze makadzi.
Zvezwa 150.
Happy influencer. Happy Mickey Mouse influencer. So ndikuzama kupfesesa uri Mickey Mouse in a sense you're Popeye influencer.
Ndizvezvo. Mina nepo. Obo hectic.
Jambori, he thinks he's a real influencer.
Kani ndi manager wamakadzi waya kumwambela.
I don't know what he is, but whatever he's doing, it doesn't look like it's a good job. But anyways, I already changed. Marati diburo kwambo
nyetiri. Mini 80k.
I already kwamba no, here's the thing, guys. Renari podcasted. We say what the other party tells us. If you have a better story to tell, we call you, you say your part. So you're not going to come for us if you can't call us and verify. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I don't need a story chakwine. Come to us. We are very accessible. Roterna the Instagram account, Black Couch una account. So for you to go put it on a status and not come straight to us, it looks more like you are the Mickey Mouse and not us. Because, I mean, what do you mean? No, like honestly, it's a Rono phone Ka Royal last year. We called Capable Boys. We called Mizo's thingy, Ramana Bags. He told us exactly what happened.
What's going on?
Makadzi is so big. Bako bero anga minu diambera now. Mizo bo diambera, bo Capable Boys bo diambera. Juno kezo bo neka lineup. I don't know how that happened.
But I like the lineup.
I love it too. I think I'm going to enjoy it. I don't know what people want. But anyways. But I really feel like Makadzi and the team, if there's anything you guys want to say, we are open. Don't go around Nikorino Oring was the influencer. It's a free country.
Exactly.
Like basically. And we did try to contact them so ro amba jera ro fara nga chicho chipinga. And you can't blame us because nane ro budzongo rina ryo katimu ari haya ri bathu ari badiri vaimbi. We don't know anything. So whatever we are saying is what we were told.
Definitely.
So if you guys give us your part, then we put it in as well. Mara hela yongwalo ka status ngas do ijia kodoro ibara as it is. We're not going to say, "Oh, within the 80k, you wrote it. You didn't come tell us exactly what happened." Or probably show us proof for a case. But anyways,
but the way
you get what I'm saying.
Or no, I see 150 actually over 80k. That's why I could see the event. I can do one madombija.
Yeah, one madombija.
Hey, cable but the way. So I didn't know why Corona about to talk about. But the bazin.
Kumbera juicy.
None. Hey, language.
Yeah. So as we're still Gamuya royalty. But also, guys, please, disclaimer, I'm not fighting. I know I'm really not fighting with anyone. I'm just giving Makadzi the platform to come speak, you know. We don't even want any money.
I don't think she wants to address anything.
Then if she doesn't want to address anything, she mustn't come for us.
Also, the promoter.
It's a bit unfair. We are just... Who can choose what champagne I mean? And India, the champagne. So
if my
you sound out of silencer.
My chat is if Zonzo part of Timia Makadzi, don't have a hectic and Makadzi needs to check Timia away. I think she's too big. She needs professionals.
She needs professionals, not Bangana.
Not Bangana. Banwa Doringori. No, like maybe something happened. Dorera Mganwanga. Things like that.
Don't know about DJ. Didn't know about DJ Ndajia. Dina best friend. I want to Mudau. Ndajia Mudau. Hold on, I don't know where I'm taking her. She doesn't know anything. Ndajia Mudau and Ndiana manager wanga. You know. It doesn't work like that. Ariwe friendship aside,
business in Business qualified by experience.
You get what I'm saying. So I just wanted to make it clear that I'm not fighting with her. You know, I love Makadzi so much. She's also in the Calvin Momo album. Shout out.
Ooh, no super. I read it. I was like,
amazing song. Don't fucking wait.
Makadzi to the world. Yo. I buy this.
Guys, the ability to go in every beat and still make it work. She's a goat, man.
album. Yeah,
And then very important. No,
like,
man, shout out. And we love her so much. We love her so much. Last time I'm such perform Romukuza. We literally always talk about MacG. So for her to think we would do anything, it's really. And I'm glad I see no. You know, I'm choosing to believe. I don't think he would do that. And to come for benefit of the doubt. Hey, why champagne is about anyways?
We are that's a glass. They're gonna change
So, also the build up apparently your Tom, yeah, like the
Royal
for Royal. So they started coffee, Bulugwane. Who had the one Migeroni? I didn't think Migeroni still had it. But yeah, you know, and then there's Musina, and then there's News Cafe. Definitely News Cafe. Yeah, I got you a part of it. I'm guessing maybe Dar es Salaam might because that's where the pre-party is.
Dar es Salaam to ngoduma yone maduba.
Have you been there?
No, ndizure sakure guys. Ndifanoye.
Dar es Salaam. Remember when Dar es Salaam oru diba bomara? Oh my word. Take this girl out of my screen. What do you mean?
I'm Venda light. I'm Venda light, please. No, but I've literally just started listening. Okay, Mizokara and Komutechere and MacG, obviously. But the rest, in the one and the co, I'm trying to like.
So the whole time, Erika Badu.
Not really.
I love your hair, by the way.
Thank you.
It gives Erika Badu.
I do actually.
By the way, it's natural hair, guys. Ningamu DM no
Nisongon DM.
Ningwindira yo jena, guys. Ku DM ko apambana.
Nisongon DM.
Mtu kana ningari ngonyongoranga kala ziano or something. I don't know. Kana to danina bonze ndido no more na bonze ale for na yanga shusa. But also, so that's where the pre-party is. So the pre-party in the Dubala. Correct.
Gospel no Yankee.
No, choose your battle. You need to choose your battle. You can't do both. Stress. I don't think I still have it in me. I don't know how I'm gonna do it.
You must be strong. Oh no,
the energy drinking. We did too much. So now never Friday TV Saturday, never Saturday TV Friday. You know, and right. Definitely Saturday got over. Or maybe ndingaya Saturday, nga Friday ndingatoya late.
Friday ayega ukunyago yaka gospel kana prepare. Gospel yomutacha.
Yeah. I have the song in it.
Marana line up na yone ya gospel hot. I don't
maybe
wanna lie.
I have the song ya Benjamin Dube and iPhone. Maybe I can just go for the song. It's called Bokang Mudimo or something. I don't know.
Mara Benjamin Dube good. The one attacking though, I like him.
You like Taki? What's your favorite song?
Unandaba Nani.
Do you know it? Yeah, what do you mean?
I was just saying.
Yeah,
I need to listen to the new Spirit of Praise.
Name?
Don't wanna this snippet nya. Actually, don't know Zonovana. This snippet nya on TikTok. Yeah, about perform.
I think Orlando Kurumba na Spirit of Praise, Rebel Gang, something. But anyways, so yeah, in terms of the activation, people must just be on the lookout. Apparently, they're gonna do something with Snap Sunday. I'm not sure when as well. Have you been to Snap? Okay, no, sorry, I'm not gonna ask anymore. Let me not.
Yeah,
Snap Sunday as
well. So that's Snap Sunday. I didn't know these things till I started watching the podcast.
No,
because I did do it to Banga, so obviously I wouldn't know these things.
It's too far, also.
It is.
So they're gonna do something with Snap Sunday, and then a couple of activations. Was the Univen and the Tech? Which is the Technicon? I'm thinking one North Tech, probably Techniven as well. I don't know. Jikoro,
Marona Techniven around. I've heard. Marati obviously the battle not the work attend the Royal.
Yeah.
So it makes sense.
Okay. So we are also going. Anyways, we are also going to be there. So I know, and you know, every time I meet people, I think I once made a comment. I never know what to do when people come greet me.
Emotional.
No, like, okay, Atishoni Mara, if you come to me and you're like, I know you're from the Black Couch, I don't know what to do.
No, but I get that because this person has been following you. So now they know. They know your life and stuff.
No, apart from that, I still don't know how to respond.
Just I reciprocate energy. Just say
I do that, but I still feel like it's weird when I do it. Weird.
Yeah, so, no, I hear you.
So yeah, but anyways, this time around, I'll make sure I'm wearing shades. So you guys must come and greet us. The whole team is going to be there for the pre-party and the Royal Gardens. I think the dividana in terms of gospel, those what they want to see. Oh, the gospel. Yeah. The morning gospel, no problem. My mom is going to be there too if you want to greet. And where's this? I would really love to be at the activation at Snap Sundays. I love Snap Sundays. So I would love to be there. I just don't know if do Arini, but anyways. So we're gonna give away
yeah, the ticket.
We're gonna give away 2 tickets, but it has to be come to Mti because we figured ringasi give away ticket inti nido dani no thezwa retsan
azvinyanga na +1 wosho doboreya na
also uti wana munga onolinda kula box munga acho toilet kana acho jive panda
ndingo
you get what I'm saying. So what we're going to do is rekodobara atikodofona zvino relaxan chenanga DM. So rekodobara madzina o30 and then we have names here, then we're going to pick. And I'm going to give you one. Audio nanga mtiri. Audio nanga litidzi.
Oh, now.
Madzina ote are hapa ndi madzina are hapa.
Okay.
So I'm going to read all the names here. And then rananga litika container. Shukutu baranega na ene. Okay, I think
I'll pick the thing and then dobara win.
Because eno dobara madzina vatu nga chitsonga zvaitsa ngorudorwana vatu.
Aya ndechidiwa chivenda mara kana ndichamba na chitsonga but still
auna botsakani wajena auna botsakani
it's not my fault I'm multilingual
but anyways, also guys, if on the comment section we are giving you guys the opportunity to tell us who you would like to see perform ngamasiari. Last time wabana ishurut kidechibewanga masiare, although we open for some of his time would perform madekwana
marena cause you deserve his performance ngamasiare could deserve it later.
Yes,
he put a lot of energy.
Yes, he does.
No, he did. No, he puts in a lot of energy.
No, because it sounded like you're saying he deserves performance.
No, yanga madekwana like put his all over it an outfit and stuff like akufana banga madekwana.
Nimbo deno dorungisa outfit but was ngorungisa ba perform madekwana.
Imagine.
Moto odanga skipa jabaru ayo madekwana ini. Not orungisa kanda.
Put into an effort into his craft.
No, and the way he performs, he's such a performer.
Yeah.
So I don't think but then guys, if you've got ideas or suggestions of what we're not going to perform, guys, you've seen Uri Black Couch Yopua Man the Rita Gospel, so you guys can do this too. Okay, put it down. Nidomangara slot chichiba ukova exactly chipungachena ngwara na artist yoraro because we are the Black Couch after all. 10K subscribers. Renga divided. But then anyways, yeah, and mizo vele ukuthi ubuye wanga madekwana mizo ndikho mtoda after 4 glasses of champagne ndikho mtoda phela bukati ntono ba
nikonta mise donga dingaye.
What do you mean utonga? Oh akupfunga una choice ne. Wow, this girl is the fact that you think you have a choice. What? I'm about to go dragare.
I'm so serious. Kaish, ndenzo ndo kama zono rizitu zinyanga contract.
Ni universal afano.
I'm serious. Hey, if you mean a lion to never ambitious. Hey.
Ambitious records. We matter. Okay, as soon as go yoko jamba. Did you see the video ya Murito? So for vita muamutu wafunzi okumbudzeri uyatsva okumbudzeri anotsva mini na church sebo charufu I don't know like sebo tanga ndi rufuluya ndiala mabakete mana
rufuni I'm sure what chicken
oh la
I'm sure what chicken no si chicken
enda ngototsva mabapha
pela chicken ire rufuni
Oh, that is your name.
hayi ndele ilithi ifobe yini basirious idzumbiwa nga
Ende
that aunt
lozokubhakisiwa zvimwevo.
ita na key
Okay, so awona muthu wako udzofino ini inotsva mini ai hambudito marimbo. What was the song? Uyatsva oyu.
ukuimbela vafunzi
Vakumuimbela. Guys, that church is a vibe.
hayi
Odiya ichi jena amigibela uri ngasonda records achidza.
zva serious
Roya like at cooler box. Then Sunday we go to church. It's such a vibe. So okay, yeah, vele like we said, mizokuti performer late. We want need the suggestions of the people.
Venda.
I mean, come on. So I'm gonna read the names, guys, T, and then mutaenda mubara mufone ramubuzuru o winner as a chemesar kumulicha. Rikomubara rikomufone and then we ask a question. I think that's what works. What do you think?
Question black couch.
No, not your black couch, your royal.
Oh, yeah, royal.
Let's ask a question, Yononga.
Who are you looking forward to seeing?
Amba mutwas. Areli amba mutwas.
Ufano baka line up.
What are you looking forward to seeing? It's tricky. Angafunga rikozo mubusango rikodara materi muzazo mubalele. Anambe awuye the legging yebo da chai. Awuye the legging izo mubalele. So I'm going to read the names. Huna Mudau nduwo. Is this Madura or Maduka Takarani? Ribuani Mpapuri. Nema Twerani Patu. Dari Zurani. Nebutaru Muano. Rebecca Mujigi. Mama Toneo. Mapori Muchizi. Rachi Mbirani Unarine. Munyai Ompulusa. Chitema Rubani. Chikwama Funzo. Libago Marubini. Muraudzi Yonda. Okay. Yeah, Boperera. So let's pick. Guys, don't think we did this intentionally, so you don't think Rodo Baera Batuvashu. Renardo VIP Maravur do Darantoy near phone. Rododaga fancy never.
But the
Do you wanna? I would say that. Come on, a bit of blessing.
Not a blessing.
Okay, I'll eat and then this. Okay. Pick one.
I'm picking one.
Why not then go bonya? I'm so dumb. Okay, great. Chopeti wavado. Uneftaru white dory.
Oh, make a sure.
Uneftaru yo. We fafadzera yanamus. Patu, meaning patu ndinyi. Nyo wanachifana usadofira mwiti sezumwe. Okay, patu hapo omadzina banga pana. Nema tswerani patu. Let's call patu. Don't you know vala phone yano. Repeat code. 98. Yemelo mini muko.
As it should.
As it should. What do you mean? Okay. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I'm so happy, yo. Ara Venda ukonyonga buswa zwendishimela uma 7. Ndishifika sho.
Abono viva.
Hello. Ndikwamba na Patu.
Yeah.
Hi, ukwamba na wapha from the Black Couch Diaries.
Okay.
So you are live on the show, ne?
Yes.
So we wanted to know, who are you looking forward to seeing Royal Gardens Heritage Festival?
I'm like,
Huh?
on the 13th.
Yes. Not on the 13th. On the kaya 13 kana ya 14 na. Any. Ya 14 no kaje kana kaya 14.
Obviously, and MacG. I really can't wait for Oscar.
Okay, congratulations. I saw it sometime. So you just won yourself 2 tickets to the Royal Garden Heritage Festival. mufakache melentha. Oh, don't cry. Okay. You're sorry. So who are you gonna take? Because we are giving you 2 tickets.
I think I'll take along with my friend.
Who's your friend?
She's called Venda Mukwebo.
Dembe Mukwebo. Oh, wanna blackout naye.
Yeah, but not like me.
Yeah, I'm with the
I
about the.
love blackout.
I'm with the number subscribe, but ticket is that
Thank you so much, guys.
All right, you're welcome. See you then. You should come say hi, ne?
All right, no problem.
I didn't see my VIP, it's in a fence. Okay, Shab, bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. We'll contact you, ne? Shab. Yeah. Okay, guys, so that was it. So next week we're going to do Winnie Sati. So next week, every week
till Ishishika.
we get a real guys. Nasa that who will she? In case you miss call zangambiri zamulo ba ini ignore we.
And often bafana subscribe but
Ani ignore chamu hey. Chamu 2 missed calls. A whole missed coffee. Now what go your phone and they need we should have fair.
Choose yourself. Preacher.
We should have fair. Men are very mean, eh? So yeah, guys, it's going. I feel like it's really going to be a good night.
Yeah, line up your hot, Yon.
I think it's going to be a good weekend. I'm actually hoping I can find a makeup artist on time because the one that always does my face and it was and also she's my friend, so I wouldn't want her to lose customers.
Yeah, no, fair.
But anyways, guys, unapetu enjoy the makeup, so you guys should go. And actually, I bet go back a long weekend, is it? Were you around?
Oh, yeah. No, don't so it.
Oh, you did say Uruko there, so it did it like make you feel better?
Yeah, because not in a family.
Ne?
Yeah, but I was moving around a lot. I was not busy.
Busy doing what?
No practice such step and the one called a bridesmaid. I am just saying, Ori, Nina Munyanya, Nimeme.
Who's getting married?
My cousin. Yeah. So practice.
Funny enough, Namusina a TikTok thing that says, what hurts the most? Like, ni bridesmaid, and someone was like, no one ever talks about the part where you asked me to be a bridesmaid, but I have to buy everything. Are you guys buying everything as well?
Yes, I just this weekend I ended up from Zaroko, so I had to pay deposit and things like that. So
when is the wedding?
December.
Do you think it makes sense though? But it's about two.
Ish.
Do you think it does?
Ya durati. If mutana like for me personally, I feel like because no chata sarunjiti ni support nenda kopabela watu wako chatao.
Yeah.
For their vision to come true.
Yeah.
So if I want to do that, bana budget, but though usually they like when my sister got married, Tangwari present nyana for bridesmaids and things like that.
Just to say thank you.
Just to say thank you for supporting the dream.
Because I really feel like about Turuchi as the bridesmaids, they think they're doing us a favor ngurinanga. Instead, they forget. Ndirina no kwitira bone favor. You know? Ujaiva zongolata he.
Hey.
Like it's really not easy. So
for us, like I'm just like kuningi going on.
Wait, what game
Limpopo. Said it's home. And the said the family. Kuningi.
There's a lot going on. That's hence your hair is like this.
Yeah, I don't know.
Idea somewhere.
Both sides actually.
Because they're stronger.
No, I don't.
So you need to investigate.
I don't.
Okay,
but it is both sides, like my dad and my mom's side.
Oh.
That's why I'm like the genes that that's gonna start chat.
There's a lot going on with you, ne? No, but I do feel like with the whole thing, you're the Rengere Rocco, it's.
Now I feel like if bana budget.
Because but 12 comes to Zinjikes, let's comment section.
But there's a restaurant nabangani banu ni splitisani bill, things like that. I think
no a restaurant.
I think
just to chill.
I think find a debate here.
haila mwe na mubadela zviala.
That's the thing. But we no, I'll split you evenly. Ni 60 if we divided by 6.
It doesn't work like that.
You only maybe you went there for like 30 minutes. Maybe you're busy with something. Order a drink.
Do you know what we do?
Budget economy is real.
You pay for what you ate na and the 10% yanu.
Exactly. That's
so
what I do with my friends too.
But you add your 10%, I add my 10%.
Which
10%,
makes sense.
And every 10% you're 300 and you get 30 rand.
So, at least na tip ya weko bona.
Do you get what I'm saying?
But we're debating. I think it depends na bangani ba weird nyana. Ndotangana stu so.
Nena namusi, I have a friend that I loved so dearly and road wangauri. I couldn't come to a party.
In the birthday.
It's a birthday party. I had to pay for transport. I had to buy an all white outfit. I had to pay my food for my food. I had to pay for my drink. And I'm like, I'm still looking for a part where it says your birthday party here. Nothing says your birthday party. It's giving trippy. Because what are you saying?
No,
what are you saying? Why should we gather rabadera transport and utonga kubukwa musiyaya rarika dijena tefu and zvakuti itwa pulukwane why rakuti yokuvanganywa roti rambara all white savarungwa I don't get it. It didn't make sense to me, you know.
Yeah.
Rakochana na mumngana ngarimngana iche dio that I would rather buy sneakers. I think nakonyaga AF1 itla chipinga. And guess what? Awolo abish no biera no salane.
Mara zone I mean budget is a kotenda wawari chana mngano fano pesa
ndova ndinayo ndandikotoinyara idea yori
hausa kunyanga support
no ningasiri birthday nebo ngakhatira zvezvo and it's okay ngori already at least pinga zvarari kadivana boma rakadivana boma 19 zvembura kuti yofara 30 rakadichimira uno lamrenje it was not going to work ningasiri birthday yangu chitu chinarenga ukekepedzi tanulicha ni lekeke rumuni then rakadiva dzirese amono lekeke rice ngori it was too much. I was probably going to spend like a good 1.5
no, it was too much.
for 1 hour chikoro
no,
and ngechina chipinga ndikoto the AF1 so badly ndaenda kurenga rotochuchudzana na mungano wanga I remember rotochuchudzana zvavudi rari mwana risongoya ari mande bought sneakers
marina filibet watonovierana.
It doesn't bother me. You know one thing with me and friends. You know, have you ever had a fallout?
Yeah, I mean, who doesn't?
Reasons are main. Okay, reason your pesera. You mean?
Your pesera.
Yeah, and I'm gonna walk pesera where one I.
I'm sure I don't even remember.
Mara, you know what happened. You can't forget. If you really loved someone, you can't forget why you guys had a fallout. Unless you were the problem, then you can forget.
No, Nandia's value as a friendship. Like I don't like do stupid things or like.
Then what happened? I've been and then 2018 and I still remember.
Oh wait,
everything.
no, there was 1 year high school. Hey, mara.
Okay.
Yeah,
so that was the last one.
I was like, hey, some people. It's okay not to have some people in your life.
So was that the last fallout you had? High school?
It wasn't even and this was in varsity. The one in high school. So I just remembered one in varsity. Mm-hmm. It wasn't even a fallout. It just phased out. You know when you're like moving in different chapters in your life because it's just now so it just she fell out with like because we're a friend group so I fell out to Nabangwe and then with me just phased out.
Okay,
like,
we have that as well.
Yeah, so it was like that.
So I guess with me hence ndikori azvingombai sangori with every fallout I've had I don't wish urabala watu vangavuya it was worth it, you know. Guys, stay there. I want to love you guys from far.
Yeah, but sometimes friendship, reach at that line. Let's go separate ways.
People really move funny. And there's like, about the bigger person. And I'm like, oh my God. And then he does zezo. Nena na musindika digitati. Or not funny.
I'm just saying, a bigger person.
I always want to see the good in people. So if you mess up, I'm gonna think.
Not chancing.
Promise is like that because of how she was raised. I look at it like that and I'm like, no. It's probably because. So I make up reasons and then I'm like, no man, she's not okay. And I always used to do that up until we were friends and that's when I realized that no, this person is not okay.
Exactly.
To a point where we were once at because I went to turf and turf didn't have like a lot of clubs and whatever.
Okay.
So una party nims already house party. So we used to do that a lot.
Yeah.
So I want to you see the way I talk? I've been a talker since.
Yeah.
So usually in most cases we were chilling, I'm talking and people are listening. So that would intimidate her, you know, and I didn't know. So this one time she literally okay, who's wanna come see? As we, if we are best friends, we spend so much time together. We've got funny pictures of each other. We take whatever. Somehow I'm talking to those people, and then she brings out a picture like that.
Oh, it's just to put you down, to put you down, basically.
Still, that didn't stop me from being her friend.
Mara, where couldn't you see that?
I don't know.
Hey.
And then the other time, because we used to use like a shuttle. So I would go there, and then the guys they would be like, they would laugh when I get there, because I'm like, where's my friend? And then Barry, she's gonna be a bit late, and I'm like, why? But no, she's probably gonna see what you are wearing first and then try to outshine.
And you didn't see that.
And I didn't see that.
And
then she would come to my place.
Blindness,
I don't think I have it anymore now, eh? Okay, no, mara ufindi nayo, mara.
Hey.
I don't
Mara
know.
Analyze
I guess I loved her so much. I loved her so much I couldn't see it. I loved her so much to a point where even when I lost my grandmom, still, we used to stay like minutes away from each other, like a minute walk. Like Zoitea, and I couldn't leave. I had to leave the following day because I had an exam. So it was a Tuesday, I remember. That's a Tuesday. I did tell my friends in the group and whatever. She didn't show up.
She wasn't your friend.
And then I was just calling Jay because I wanted someone to talk to. And then when she got back to me, she was like, oh, sorry, Mgana. Nandichana boyfriend so I'm like, okay, so she is not busy.
This is sad.
It was, but I only saw it in Mudau. And remember, she was the only friend at Limpopo. The rest of my friends, Moko Jena Cape Town, Mo Jena Bloom, Jena UJ. So no one could come back at that time. And I understood, you know.
Yeah,
but with her, because she was around, and then that okay, maybe I'm saying
and she knew the relationship you had with your grandmother.
Everyone knew. My grandmother was basically my mom.
Goruri had a falling out, kan?
Yeah, party.
It took a lot for you. I think it took a lot for you to get to that point.
So come on,
out.
Still, I seen the Nomkato because of the party.
And my friend.
I think the ties are because I did not trauma.
Yeah.
And then Nina. And my family was the one, because and then that on a Wednesday I went home after writing. She says to me, oh no friend, I'm actually gonna come back on Friday and doing the and exam. She was just a mutual friend at the time. We were not as close as much and go to Raro. She was like, doing the then I'm gonna come. And I was like, okay, so this person doesn't even feel like it's urgent for her to come back, you know,
to support you.
I was like, okay, cool. She Abuyanga Friday. I remember mubona ndodzira memorial. Ndomubona koda ndandonwamba. Andoamba ndo imandi ndote. Like I had no one. I was the only grandchild that spoke because I'm the oldest and I'm.
I don't know.
No, I'm the oldest. But I had to be strong for them. You know, I was not gonna. So I remember one thing, and I should say, if Zajay I'm gonna that's where
literally
I knew. It was at that point. I knew it was an accident. I'm telling you.
Was this before or after the party?
It was before the party. So party you have fall out in the end or decide on whatever. Even after that I didn't get mad. Okay, sharp.
Friday, I
don't know
why you tolerate such nonsense.
I don't know. And then she came on Friday, Japira, Saturday at the funeral. Ndomubona because obviously we are late. I'm greeting people, she's around. I remember her saying to me, Mungana, nenditonga ndikodota banyotua bendi bo 10 eti bo 9 ngabo
8 9 yeah ngamachero
ngana nendikodota yota banyotua because my dad says I should go to how can diva Vodafone urenza the phone ari uri ndio sedza phone yenda ngaitama abako yo murengera
ovala novala ngoropedza dzi
ako yo rengeliyo no uko yo isedza
this person does not love you.
Yes. And that is why ndichiri
when don't know said I'm so sad.
No, because that's why ndichiri most of my fallouts I don't want them back because I know, like, I can count all these things. So I'm just like, when it comes to girls, honey, give me 0. Okay. That's why now I've got a lot of male people. Friends. Now I've got a lot of male friends. And I'm doing just fine.
Just people in general. If you can see this person, the actions, people show you and don't wait to be told twice.
And I'm in every way. Funny enough, I was so... like funny stuff in front of my friends. She once did it in front of my boyfriend as well, the person I was dating then. And I didn't see the reason. I looked at her.
What?
I'm telling you.
Arumdi.
No, but I'm just telling you, I don't wish.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so yeah, no,
but deserve out.
Some of them baba narcissistic. Then no more no penga ane ndo posta chine pena ya best friend yangati ari no remove that one way I'm servararu. Let's have this my best friend. This girl and I don't even remember how we became friends because Mariah and I were born in the same hood.
That
so
is crazy.
Guy, it's just how it is. It just happened. So that's why I'm okay with them from far. I swear I'll talk to them. I'll smile. We'll be fine. I guess we are just not good together.
Yeah. Probably.
And that's what I guess it was just me.
You just didn't see.
Yeah, I guess she didn't like me.
And that you can't tell
now that I'm
twice.
thinking of it, I realize. Yeah, now that I'm seeing it. But anyways, Zopira, man. But also, I guess we just need to be careful. And now I'm very careful when I make friends. I hardly make new friends because I always think, what do you want from me? Because now that I'm thinking of it, I don't know over grade 8, Toma maybe grade 9. She came into the group.
So
that for purpose. And she knew what she wanted. She probably wanted to be like us. That's why she came in,
Maybe.
So it's different. No, and then I'm gonna.
So she initiated the friendship.
I think so, because I don't remember where she came
Maybe
from.
she was jealous and things like that.
Intimidation is dangerous. You can't be my friend.
Exactly. Like
it's not gonna work.
Mara. Like,
and now, like after the realization, I realized this person would like come to my place, and then I would have always had MacG and whatever. So she would come do makeup. I had an iPhone first. She would take pictures. Somehow I'm thinking, saying it now, she was even taking pictures that are similar to mine that look like she wants to be me. It was strange. It was crazy. When I see those pictures, I was like, what?
Yo,
and she would wear my new clothes.
What? What?
Guys, let's cut. Women's month Guys,
no,
I'm a Barry. It's fine. It's cool. I'm taking the L.
They shocked.
Mushimondu was Zonzo, Matina and Barry. No, it was Barry. The Barry.
Realize zvino
how do you take out a receipt from someone's pen?
Exactly.
I ambara and the West End let's close
what?
Because
I must be violent.
I had to
what?
sleep at her place because apartment yanga to pay. Yeah.
No, this is not normal.
Now that I'm thinking of it, now, I'm so okay.
Literally, that's not normal.
Now that I'm thinking of it, she must go to hell because what the hell, guys? That was too much trauma. I was just a baby.
This is shocking.
I'm
shocked. I'm very stunned.
Okay, guys, that's it from us. Let's close it. Let's meet again next week. Riko win is a footy, so guys, continue joining, subscribing. Oh, sorry. Continue subscribing and doing the giveaway. I bet you subscriber item mini. Your subscriber. I send a number phone. So Nadzina. So yeah, do that, guys. Bako send the Black Couch Instagram. Yeah, please use the Black Couch Instagram. So you are gonna subscribe. But could you send a screenshot to your subscriber? Yeah.
No, they should actually.
I think they should. do that. And then tomorrow we're giving away not tomorrow, but yeah, tomorrow anyways. Next episode we're giving away 2 tickets to one winner. Anyways, guys, see you guys on the 14th of September. Bye.
I feel so sad. How did we get to this point?